A very good morning to all of you from Team Wordaholics. We have been operating the Wordaholics platform since 2015 with the primary motive of helping students and learners and working executives master those difficult words which are very important from the competition point of view, like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, SSC, Banking, UPSC. Our mission is to help more than 10 crore of the 33 crore students across India sound sophisticated and score more in their exams. We have the tradition of sending 5 words on a daily basis. So the 5 words that we'll be discussing today are nefarious, nemesis, nexus, niche, and niggling. We'll be going to the words individually, word by word, so that we can understand how you can use it, what are the antonyms, what are the synonyms, what is the Hindi, what is the pronunciation, and how do I remember this particular word nefarious for a very long time. So those things we'll be discussing individually. So what is the meaning of nefarious in the first place? Nefarious means something which is shameful, which is something which is criminal, evil, wicked, villainous. Hindi would be ati dusht papi. Nefarious activities is where some activities are being done which is not good for the society. Nefarious activities. Antonym would be something which is virtuous, respectable. The opposite of nefarious is respectable. So how do I remember this word? Look at the particular picture of a thief who is running away with a utensil from your home, electronic gadget from your home. So he's not doing something which is fair. He's not fair. Look at the word nefarious. We have underlined it on the left hand side, NE and fair. So see, he's doing something which is not fair for the society. He's doing something which is not fair to the person who is being thieved. So in this case, something which is negative, NE stands for negative, and fair is where you do something which is fair. So something that is not fair is shameful, is wicked, is criminal. So nefarious activities would be criminal and shameful. So how do I use these sentences? Nefarious anti-Indian agendas, nefarious activities. Sentence 1, India in danger, police unearth LET's nefarious designs to attack high-profile personalities. Terrorist activities can be called nefarious. Sentence 2, international community must pressurize our neighboring states to give up its nefarious activities, the activities of Pakistan we are talking about, along with the elimination of terrorism. Sentence 3, there are reports China is secretly helping North Korea in all its nefarious activities to control US influence over Asia. Sentence 4, the jailers urge the government to install signal jammers in their jails in order to curtail nefarious activities of the goons. The second word for today is nemesis. What is the meaning of nemesis? Nemesis is somebody who is an arch enemy, who is your cutter enemy, somebody who is a rival, an opponent, a challenger, or an adversary. So niyati is Hindi would be niyati and abhishap. Yes, antonym is associate. Somebody who is not an enemy is your associate. Nemesis is somebody who is your arch enemy, and nemesis is something that is your antonym is associate. So how do we pronounce this word? Nemesis. As is the word, is very clear. Mnemonic is look at the particular picture, a girl with a gun in the hand. Imagine she's your sister. So not my sis is how you remember this word. Any stands for negative. Me, my, and sis, not my sis, is how you remember this particular word. Why she's not your sis? Because she fights with you. She's an arch enemy. She's an arch rival or an opponent. Usage, long time nemesis, old nemesis. Sentence 1, India played with its arch nemesis Pakistan at the Eden Gardens after a long span of 10 years. So nemesis standing for an enemy who is a long standing enemy for a very long time. Sentence 2, Batsman in the Joker's main nemesis. Batman is the Joker's main nemesis and always spoils his wicked plots. Sentence 3, in the Indian epic Mahabharata, Krishna was the nemesis of Kansa. Kans. The celestial voice had warned Kans and he wanted to kill the newborn. Sentence 4, Steve Smith again turned out to be India's nemesis with his all-round performance ensuring they won the series 5-1. The next word that we'll be discussing is nexus. Nexus means a good bonding between people, a connection, a network of people, a junction of people, a hub, union, association of people. Hindi would be Mili Bhagat. Nexus is Mili Bhagat, Sambandh. Antonym is division, where there is a connection, bond, the opposite would be division. So nexus का opposite हो जाएगा division. Pronunciation is NEX nexus. There's nothing new in this. Nexus. Usage. Before going to the usage, we'll be going to the mnemonics. Look at the last part of the visual that we have provided, and look at the visual on the left hand side. The visual shows somebody who are next to us. Somebody who is close to us will always be next to us. They will be standing by us. They'll be there with us in the good and bad times both. So there is a next us. Next, somebody who is next to us will always be in a good bond, a good connection with us, is what we are trying to say in this particular visual. And this is how you can remember this word for a longer time. So what is a mnemonic? We have strong bonds with the people who are next to us. When we treat someone with favor, it's a nexus. So we'll move to the usages. The usages are doctor, pharma, nexus. The doctors and pharma companies are having a nexus. Cattle smuggling, it's generally nexus is a word that has a negative connotation, so keep that always in mind. Cattle smuggling nexus at borders. Sentence 1, bodybuilder nexus under SEBI. Sentence 1, builder Bollywood nexus under SEBI lens. SEBI has begun shooting off show cause notices to 331 such listed entities. Sentence 2, investigation into the alleged grabbing and sale of church land revealed a thriving nexus involving land sharks, revenue department staff, and local criminals with political links. Sentence 3, probe into the deaths of 49 children at the UP district hospital revealed a murky nexus between government and private schools. Sentence 4, Gauri Lankesh has shared she was working on stories exposing the nexus of corruption in Karnataka before her death. Moving on to word number 4, the word is niche. We pronounce it with N-E-E-S-H. Look at the pronunciation, N-E-E-S-H. Niche. It's not niche, it's not niche, it's niche. So what is the meaning of niche? Niche is special compartment, opening, corner, slot, or a position. There's a special compartment, there's a slot or a position. Hindi would be तख्त, जहाँ पर आप कुछ रखते हो. दर्जा, किसी को इम्पोर्टेंट दर्जा देना, इवन दैट इज़ अ niche thing. Antonym is closure. You give a importance to somebody and you close that particular thing is the opposite. So how do I remember this word for a longer time? What is the mnemonic for this particular word? What is the shortcut of remembering this particular word? Look at the word niche on the left hand side and the underlining portion. If you remove the word H from the entire thing and the entire word, you will find that it's niche. It's nice. It sounds like nice. So something which are nice items. If you have a nice item, if you have something which is very close to your heart, if you have something which is very dear to you, you will have a special position for that particular, you will create a special position for that particular product, you will create a special position for that particular person or thing, place in our hearts and keep it in niche. So what are the usages? Niche skills, niche market, niche segments. Sentence 1, Fast Track has carved a niche for itself in offering trendy and stylish watches. The brand has consistently endeavored to meet the ever-changing needs of the youth. Sentence 2, daughter of legendary star Jitendra, Ekta Kapoor has created a niche for herself in the TV serial and film production. She has created a darja, she has created a particular level, she has created a particular position in the entire market is what we are trying to say. That is the meaning of niche. Sentence 3, audience for niche perfumes is select, ones who know the value of what comprises a perfume label and are willing to pay. Sentence 4, working women are carving out a niche for themselves, they're creating a space for themselves in the unconventional male-dominated industry of IT and banking. The next word is niggling. We'll be leaving this word for the time being for the advanced course. If you are interested in this word, if you want to know more about this word, you can pause the video and have a look at it. I think with this particular word, we have come to the end of the presentation that we have on the 5 words from Wordaholics. As I keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated, students, keep scoring more in your exams, and if you want to help me in my mission of reaching to those 10 crore students, you can help, you can share this particular initiative with a relative, with a friend, with a colleague, with somebody whom you think can improve his English, can improve his vocabulary skills. Just ask them to SMS ADD to 9546307452 to receive these power words daily for free. Yes, free. So I have also compiled a particular book on how to speak fluent English and impress people in 30 days. It contains the shortcuts Nobody wants to work hard in today's date. Everybody wants shortcut. It contains the shortcut. It contains the hacks. It contains the secrets of the toppers of how they master a language in a very short time. There are millions of learners across the globe who are struggling with their English skills, with their fluency skills. This particular book will teach you to learn and impress people in just 30 days. It's published on Amazon. The link is provided. If you are interested, you can download this book from that particular Amazon Kindle store and keep reading. That's all for today. Thank you so much.